Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a nose hair trimmer. You can see this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. But when you guys turn on to the side, you can see how they probably got 3 different heads on here that can change. So it's actually really cool how they give you guys the option to change different heads on here for different stuff. And you can see on the bottom right here, they mention how the product is rechargeable and it is also waterproof. So if you guys get water on here, it is fine. And if you guys turn on to the side right here, they provide guys some more specs and features that's on here. But now I'm actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So it's all well packaged and everything, but let's take it all out. So inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And right here, we see actually show you guys what each product looks like. Right here, they provide guys a little bag that you can use to store everything inside. They do provide guys a USB to micro USB cable, so you can definitely use that to recharge it. And right here with the first head, so when you take it out, this is what the head looks like. So for this one is the eyebrow hair cutter, whereas for the next one right here, this one is a sideburn trimmer. So you can definitely use that to trim your sideburns. So when you're ready to use it, you guys want to stick this onto the actual product, and I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. And then last but not least, we do have the product right here, so let's take it out. So once you guys take it out from the case, this is what the product looks like. So what you're going to do is open it up. Once you guys open up, this is what the product looks like inside. So right here we do have the nose hair trimmer. If you guys want to take it out, you guys want to twist it open and take it out really easily. If you guys want to replace it with this one right here, you guys want to put it inside and then twist it. Once it locks in, things are all set. So now you guys can start using this one if you guys want to. And the way how you guys turn it on is by pushing right here. And then once you guys are done, push it back down. So that is how you guys use it. And the way how you guys recharge it is by twisting the bottom and then take it out. Once you guys take it out, you can see right here, I actually give you guys the option for you guys to plug in a cable to recharge it. So that is how you guys recharge the product. So before I actually test it out, let me actually plug in a cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so we got the cable right here. We want to plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, you can see right here, I actually give you guys an indicator light to show you guys that it's charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or change a different color. So that is how you guys charge the product. And like I mentioned, for this product, it is waterproof. So I just want to take it out and rinse the inside. You can definitely do that on here. And also when you guys feel the overall weight of the product, it feels super lightweight. So it's gonna be really easy for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling or something, which is really cool. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out to see how it works and when it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we have the product. Let's test it out. So let's open it up. And you guys want to turn it on and just start using it on your nose. Alright, so if you hear the product is actually really powerful and it definitely does work. I don't have too much nose hair right now, but I can definitely feel that it is cutting the hair inside, which is really nice. So like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to use this head or if you guys want to use the other head for like the sideburn or the eyebrow option, you guys can change it however you guys want to. But now let me just test out the product to show you guys how to actually clean it. So the way how you guys clean it is actually very simple. All you need to do is just take this part out like this and just rinse the inside. If you guys want to wash it inside right here, you guys can definitely do that. But mainly you guys want to focus on washing this part right here. Once you guys finish washing it, you guys can put it on one side and let it air dry. And put it back together once it's fully dry. But that is how you guys use the product. If you guys can see, it definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test, the product definitely actually does work. Actually works quite well. So whether you're going to use this for your nose, your beard, your sideburns, or even for your eyebrows, you guys can definitely use it how you guys want to. So they give you guys all the different options available. And I love the fact that how the product is waterproof. So even if you guys get water on here, it is completely fine. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality nose hair trimmer that has the same design that's on here, where I give you guys all the different options to use to shave your beard, your sideburns, your eyebrows, and etc. Then I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously with those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.